How to fix Telegram unable to send SMS. Please try again later error. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Besnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can fix the unable to send SMS error on Telegram. Now, first things first, as you all know, Telegram is the primarily an internet-based messaging app and doesn't send SMSs directly. So if you're encountering an internal error, that is try it again later, if you're unable to send SMS, then you might want to go ahead and check your internet connection. You want to make sure that you have stable internet connection or you are connected to this stable internet connection. However, if this doesn't help, then you want to make sure that your application is updated to the latest version. If you want to simply head into your Play Store or App Store and look into Telegram, and if it says update, then simply tap on update, and you want to make sure that it's updated. If still this doesn't help, or if your app isn't not updated or your app is updated already before and still you are encountering the error, you can simply go ahead and try uninstalling and reinstalling and log in back to your account, and this will fix the issue. If it still doesn't help, then you might want to wait for a couple of hours before you try and send SMS again. So this way you can fix Telegram unable to send SMS. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.